Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, roll it on the back and fix it. Now make the plaits on the sides and fix it in the between of the plaited hairs like this. Now tie rest of the hairs like this in the small sections and make the plaits on both the sides. Now join them or just leave it aside and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top, divide it from the between and rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it in between of the rotated hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides and the back and make the plaits on it on both the sides like this. Join them together on the back and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail and then rotate small section of the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides and roll them one by one in the same manner as we are doing here. Now make the plaits like this on the downside in the small section and roll it and fix it in the between. Now again make the plaits on the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take small sections from the hairs and then roll it on the side like this. Now fix it in the same manner in the between and again fold it. Now make the plaits like this and divide the hairs and fold it like this and then make a butterfly shape on the top like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide the upper part and rotate it. Repeat the process for the downside and fold it upward like this and make a bun. Now make the plaits on the sides by joining the hairs like this. Now join both the sides of the hairs together and fix it by folding it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs, divide the upper part of the hairs and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top. Now rotate small section of the hairs. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this and fix it. After fixing the hairs, make the plaits on the hairs and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs and make the plaits on the small section on the top. Now keep it aside. Now tie rest of the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix the hairs into each other and now make a bow on the top. Now fix the hairs by dividing them into two parts and make the plaits and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into 4-5 sections and then join them by making the plaits like this. So watch the technique of making the plaits as we are following a little different technique. Fix it till the end like this. In the same manner, tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take small sections and roll them one by one like this. Fold it carefully as shown in the video and fix the hairs as we are doing. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix it at the back and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then tie it on the back. Now rotate the hairs like this and join them. Fold the one side of the hairs and join the other side of the hairs like this one by one. Keep following these steps for a few more times and fix the hairs at the end and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and fix this beautiful hair accessory in the between and make the plaits to fix it. Take the hairs till the end and tie it in the same manner. Tie all the hairs till the end like this. Fix it carefully as shown in the video. Tie the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it like this and fix them into each other and tie them carefully. Watch this technique very carefully as it is little bit complicated and fix it in the same manner. Now tie rest of the hairs on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail on the top. Now roll the hairs together like this and fold them. Keep folding them and make the bun on the top by rolling it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Fix it tightly and your hairstyle is done. Thanks for watching our video.